Cinematic text effect. On the Fusion page, click on this T icon for text plus. From the inspector, add the text you want and customize it to match your idea. On this text area, right-click and click on Follower. Then click on the modifier at the top. Then click on Order and select Random but one by one. And put the delay value to 2. Now click on the Shading tab. Scroll down to Softness and with the playhead at the start of the video, drag the X and Y value to 20. Now, click on the keyframe icon for both X and Y to start the keyframe. Then place the playhead to the point later in the video. For me, it's after 45 frames. Again, drag X and Y values for softness towards 0. Wait for it to be ready and your work is done. Then go back to the edit page. Put the Fusion composition to the upper layer and drag your video layer below it.